Introduction. People buy various goods and services from market to satisfy their needs and wants. An economy is a combination of productive activities and services that contribute towards satisfying people's needs and wants. In this chapter, we will learn about the meaning, definition, types and features of an economy. Meaning of an economy. An economy is a system which provides the means to work and earn a living. It is an organization which makes the use of available resources to produce goods and services. In the past, village economy was an important economic, political, and administrative unit with agriculture and handicrafts as the main occupations. Definition of economy. An economy refers to various activities related to the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services in a certain geographical region. An economy is also defined as a relationship between production, trade, and the supply of money in a particular country or region. Types of economy. There are three types of economy: capitalist economy, socialist economy, mixed economy. In capitalist economy, means of production are owned and managed by private individuals. The main motive of producers is to maximize profit. For example, the United States of America. In socialist economy, the means of production are owned and managed by the government. Its main aim is to maximize social welfare. For example, China. A mixed economy is a coexistence of both public and private sector. Means of production are owned and managed by the government as well as private individuals. For example, India. Features of an economy. The main features or characteristics of an economy are certain geographical area, natural resources, population, political sovereignty, sectoral distribution. We will study each feature in detail in the following screens. Natural resources. Natural resources refer to the resources which are freely available in the nature. It includes land, mountains, water, sunshine, sea, forests, mineral deposits, etc. The level of production in the economy is influenced by the availability and utilization of natural resources. Population. Supply of labor in a country depends upon the size of population. Education, training, and health services improve the quality of human resources, that is, population used in productive activities. There are three concepts regarding size of population of a country. Political sovereignty. Political sovereignty or supremacy is important because only an independent and politically sovereign nation can take the decisions about its socio-economic welfare. Therefore, the government of a country must have the supreme power to make rules and to enforce laws. Sectoral distribution. Productive activities are classified on the basis of ownership and management into private sector, public sector, and joint sectors. Productive activities are also classified on the basis of nature of activities into three sectors. Primary sector includes occupations mainly based on natural resources, for example, agriculture, animal husbandry, poultry farming, fisheries, forestry, and mining. Secondary sector is also called an industrial sector. It includes occupations related to manufacturing, construction work, electricity, natural gas, water supply, etc. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector. It includes services like transport, communication, banking, insurance, trade, finance, health, education, hotels, entertainment, etc.